Spelling list 29. Word number 1, idea. I-D-E-A, idea. A thought or plan carefully formed in mind. When you have an idea about something, you think about it, you have it in your brain, and then it pops out. So it's an idea. Number 2, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. A very large, high, light brown wild cat of Africa and India. Lion. Number 3, usual. U-S-U-A-L, usual. Happening at regular interval of all the time. Customarily. For example, it's usual for you guys to see spelling lists on Mondays. That's usual. It happens every single Monday. It's usual. Number 4, radio. R-A-D-I-O, radio. The equipment used to send or receive signals transmitted by radio. Is this little machine you see here that it is that equipment that it transmits songs, news, in many music. That is very nice. Usually we used to have this in all times. It's a very old radio at home. Now we have it in the car or in your cell phone. You can listen to radio and all that. Number 5, liar. L-I-A-R, liar. A person who says things that are not true. Pinocchio was a liar kid. He used to lie a lot and his nose grows every time that he lies. So, liar? No, you're not a liar, kids. You should tell the truth. Always. Number 6, poem. P-O-E-M, poem. A piece of writing, often in rhyme, in which words are chosen for their sound and beauty as well as meanings. For example, this is a poem for Mother's Day. Of all special joys in life, the big ones and the small, a mother's love and tenderness is the greatest of them all. So that's a poem. Number 7, India, capital I-N-D-I-A, India, a country of Southern Asia. India is the site of one of the world's oldest civilizations. And that's the Taj Mahal that is in India. Also remember, guys, capital letters are used for proper nouns. India, it's a proper noun. Number 8, piano. P-I-A-N-O, piano. A keyboard instrument in which a hammer covered with strikes a metal string to produce a tone. Piano. It's a beautiful piano. Number 9, January. Capital J-A-N-U-A-R-Y, January, the first month of the year. Number 10, quiet. Q-U-I-E-T, quiet. Marked by little or no noise, silent or nearly silent. Quiet. Number 11, fuel. F-U-E-L, fuel, a substance that is burned to give off heat or produce energy. Mom and dad cars will need fuel to run. Number 12, science. S-C-I-E-N-C-E, science. The systematic observation of things that happen in nature and the universe in order to discern facts. Science. We're about to do the science fair. Number 13, diary. D-I-A-R-Y, diary. A daily written record of a person's thoughts, activities, options, and experiences. Usually, we girls keep a diary when we write everything that happens during a special moment, a day, some years in our days in our years. That makes it very special. Boys can have a diary too as well. But we also use diaries at school to write and remind you the homework, quizzes, or if we need to communicate with your parents as well, you use your diary. Number 14, violin. V-I-O-L-I-N, violin, a musical instrument that has 4 strings and is played with a bow. Beautiful instrument as well. Number 15, period. P-E-R-I-O-D, period. A punctuation mark, an interval or portion of the time. As a punctuation mark, put a period at the end of the sentence, always, right? And also, for example, from 1991 to 2000, that's a period of time, okay? All that, those years in between, it's a period of time. Number 16, February, capital F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y, February, the second month of the year. The first one is January and the second one is February, for Valentine's Day. Number 17, cereal, C-E-R-E-A-L, cereal, the seeds of certain grasses such as wheat, oat, rice, or corn used as food. You probably in the mornings, you eat cereal. You eat oatmeal, which is a cereal as well. Number 18, video, V-I-D-E-O, video, of or used in the visual part of a television broadcast or a display of computer data. Nowadays, we watch videos in our cell phones. You can use YouTube in order to watch videos, or you can record a video. Number 19, meteor, M-E-T-E-O-R, meteor, a chunk of matter from outer space that enters Earth's atmosphere and often forms a streak of light as it burns. We call it passing stars, and those are actually pieces of chunks of matter. And those events on outer space are just amazing. Number 20, rodeo, R-O-D-E-O, rodeo, a public show in which skills such as riding broncos and roping cows are displayed. It's very common to see all these rodeos in the fairs, but I don't think they're fair. It's just, it's a beautiful display, but including these horses and all that. Rodeo, like a cowboy. Number 21, giant. G-I-A-N-T, giant. A huge, very strong imaginary creature resembling a human being. Look at the giant in the back. It's just a huge warrior. Looks like a warrior or that person. Number 22, lesson. L-E-S-S-O-N, lesson, something to be learned or taught. We are right now on lesson number 29. Number 23, program, P-R-O-G-R-A-M, program. A list of information as the order of events and the names of those taking part in a performance or presentation. Here is a television guide, DirecTV guide. So when you wanted to watch a movie or show, you just click on there and you might see their program list. What is coming, what is going on there. Also a program, if you go to a theater, ballet theater, or just theater or musical theater, you will see a paper that will give you a paper where it includes the names of every participant on show and every music, if it's a musical, the names of the songs and who composed or wrote the songs and the instruments that people play there. So that's a program. Number 24, quart. Q-U-A-R-T, quart. A unit of capacity equal to 2 pits or 32 fluid ounces. So a quart is about or around 4 cups. Number 25, problem. P-R-O-B-L-E-M, problem. A question that must be solved or thought about. mathematical problems, teacher will add. But for sure, you practice those. Like, for example, you have 2 candies and your sister gave you 2 more. How many candies you have in all? You might have 4, right? Or if you have a problem with somebody, remember to talk to an adult. Or if you feel like you're in a problem, you should talk to somebody. So, problem. 26, variety. V-A-R-I-E-T-Y, variety. Difference or change, a kind or type. Here, we have a variety of snacks, healthy snacks actually. You could choose from a variety of fruits. You have strawberries, you have blueberries, you have almonds, you have cereals, you have many choices. That's a variety of choices. Number 27, gradual. G-R-A-D-U-A-L, gradual. Happening or moving little by little. So in the picture from left to right, you have like a bulb, which it looks like a leaf, but it's kind of closed. And then gradually it's changing. So by the passing of the years or days or the month, depends if it's a tree or just a little plant, gradually will change. This is a gradual change. It won't change like from one day to another. It's just a gradual movement. Well, not a movement, but movement, okay? Gradual. Number 28, geography. G-E-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y. Geography. A scientific study of the earth and its plant and animal life, including the study of continents, mountains, countries, and climate around the world. Study geography. It's just good and amazing to know something new, new places. Number 29, diagram. D-I-A-G-R-A-M, diagram. Something such as drawing that shows how something else works or indicates the relationship between its parts. If you're doing a science experiment and you need to write down what's happening during the passing of the days, you must do a diagram to indicate the date and what's going on. If you need to add more water to the experiment or why not, you can use a diagram in order to keep those records. And number 30, punctuate. P-U-N-C-T-U-A-T-E, punctuate. To mark written or printed material with punctuation. Here we have some punctuation marks. You must punctuate your sentences, your paragraphs, okay? You have a comma, apostrophe, dashes, exclamation marks, parentheses, period, the hyphen, question marks. All those are punctuation marks. You use them to punctuate inside of a sentence or a paragraph. Punctuate.